Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online classroom of English. We have already completed lesson 6, right? Yeah. I hope all of you have learned it well. Today, first of all, I will show you some pictures. Can you identify these pictures? Where do you see them? What do you see here? A giant wheel, candy shop, merry-go-round, ice cream stall, etc. What is this picture? This is a shooting the balloon. Shooting the balloon. It is a stall. Where do you see this stall? Any idea? Yes, we shall see it in a fair or mela. Then what is this? A candy shop. Cotton candy, popcorn, etc. can be seen. Where do you see all these things? Have you ever gone for an exhibition or mela or fair? Yeah, we can see all these things there. What is this? It is a swing. That is a swing that goes or moves around. We can call it merry-go-round. What do we call? Merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. So all these things, we can see all these things in a fair. Can you see the pictures? Here we can see so many people enjoying the fair and all kinds of swings can be seen. Merry-go-round, giant wheel, etc. Have you ever been to a mela or fair like our Thrissur exhibition? Yes or no? Yes. Have you ever gone for a ride on merry-go-round? Ride on a horse on merry-go-round? No. Oh yes. Would you like to go on it? Yeah. Then, how will you feel when you sit on it? How will you feel when you sit on it? Can you say? Yeah, we will go round and up and down. Isn't it? Up and down. Somewhat like what feeling? Happy? Yeah, you are so much excited. Right? Yeah. And today we are going to read a poem which describes how you feel when you go up and down, round and round on a merry-go-round. Shall we start? All of you take page number 33. Page number 33. The Merry-Go-Round. What's the name of the poem? The Merry-Go-Round. The merry-go-round is a swing. I have already told you the merry-go-round is a swing. Let us read. Listen to me carefully. Can you see the merry-go-round swing there? Can you see the picture? Can you see the merry-go-round is moving there? Yeah. So shall we sing? I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse and it went up and down, around and around and up and down, around and around and up and down. I sat high up on a big brown horse and rode around on the merry-go-round, on the merry-go-round, around and round and round, and rode around on the merry-go-round. I rode around. So, what's the poem? I climbed upon the merry-go-round. What's climb? Going up on the merry-go-round. And it went round and round. I climbed upon a big brown horse. What's a horse? It's an animal. It's an animal and its color is brown. What is the color of horse? Brown. And it went up and down, around and around. The horse, the swing is moving around, round and round, up and down, round and round, up and down. I sat high upon a big brown horse and rode around. What is rode? R-O-D-E, rode. Ride, moving, around, sitting and riding around on the merry-go-round. Merry-go-round is a swing. So, what is the swing here? Merry-go-round. It is a horse. So, I sat on the horse and moves, riding and round, around, up, down, and round on the merry-go-round. How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you happy to ride on the horse? To ride on the merry-go-round? Yeah. So let's recite it once more. I climbed upon the merry-go-round and it went round and round. I climbed upon a big brown horse and it went up and down, around and around and up and down, around and around and up and down. I sat high upon a big brown horse and rode around on the merry-go-round, on the merry-go-round, around and round and rode around. On the merry-go-round, I rode around. My dear children, this poem was written by the poet Dorothy W. Baruch. The spelling D-O-R-O-T-H-Y W. Baruch. Dorothy W. Baruch. The poem is written by Dorothy W. Baruch. Okay. Let us go through the new words. First one, merry-go-round. Second one, climbed. Third, went. Fourth, round. Fifth, brown. Sixth, horse. Seventh, high. Eighth, road. Children, read and write these new words 10 times. Okay. My dear children, today we learned a beautiful poem written by Dorothy W. Baruch. I hope all of you enjoyed reciting the poem, right? So my dear children, read and read so many times and learn the difficult words. We shall recite the poem again and again tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.